One technique can get your thousands of wishes fulfilled. Yes, that's so powerful, isn't it? So, today I'm giving you a technique that if you apply, you can fulfill so many wishes that you will be amazed. Of course, there are many tools and techniques are there, but so many of you are keep asking me, like, sir, give me a technique which I can apply and manifest so many things. So that technique is ready for you. So one of the most important thing you have to understand is that this is the technique that you have to prepare just once and you have to just apply it. And with this technique, people have manifested all kinds of goals, desires, dreams, whether it's dream job, new job, business success, money, health, relationship, finding partner, healing relationship, all kind of manifestation beautifully work because this is so powerful. And when I was very new to law of attraction, I was working in a toxic job, I was not happy, unhappy, and I manifested my first dream job using this technique only. By that time I was not very clear about how it's working because I was so new to law of attraction, but I was excited to use it, and this is exactly what I did. And later on, I have taught to thousands of people, and they are manifesting like crazy. So, this is a very powerful technique, and I want you to apply for one of the most important goal or wish that you have at this point. Yes, and while applying this technique, I would highly recommend that this particular technique you should apply for one wish at a time. Yes, one wish at a time. And because then you can get the result very fast. And if you have tried so many of my techniques and have already manifested, let me know in the comments. So let's dive in. This technique you are going to do is one technique, thousands of wishes. Yes, and we are going to do in two parts. First part is about diving into finding what is the most important wish you want to fulfill, because so many people are struggling in manifestation because they get excited when they watch my video or when they learn about a technique, but that's when they start getting confused which technique to apply, where should I apply, which wish I want. Oh, I want relationship, oh, I want job, oh, I want money, oh, people are fighting at home, so I want a harmonious environment. So they get confused, and then they start thinking about money or weight loss or health or relationship. Of course, all of us has many wishes in all areas of life, and there are many things you may be wanting at this point, but the people who are successful or people who have amazing manifestor are the people who always knew what is one of the most important wish for them at this point, where they have to focus, so that they focus their intention on that particular wish, so that they manifest fast, and then they start manifesting one more, and they stay in such positive energy that even many other wishes keep getting manifested. However, when you do this technique and apply this technique for one particular wish, you can apply other techniques for other wishes. That's absolutely fine. So how you are going to do it? In the first part, you are going to dive into finding what is that one thing that you want so much at this point. For that, what you have to do, take a paper or take your journal and write down first what are the 10 wishes you have at this point. Ask yourself, what are the 10 wishes I want to manifest or I want the universe to fulfill for me at this point in life. Write all the 10. Don't worry about past tense, present tense, whatever you just write 10 wishes. Once your 10 wishes are ready, take a break. Go around, maybe drink a tea, coffee, or chill out a little bit, or if you have some work, go around. Come back after some time, maybe 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hour. Read the list and ask yourself, if the universe will ask me, what are the top 3 wishes that I really want to be fulfilled from this 10 wish list? Then what would be those 3 top wishes? Then write the top 3 wishes. Choose out of those 10, choose the 3 wishes. Write them and then again keep it aside. Go out, chill out, enjoy, have fun, or take a break, or because you are not getting too much involved in the process. You are just letting your mind clear and disconnect for a moment. And then again come back to the list. At this point, you can ask yourself, what is that one wish I really want from these three things at this point? If universe will come and ask me at this point that what is that one wish you want from these three, you are not going to add a new wishes at this point. One from these three, then choose that wish. And you can do it at a time when you are alone so that you can think clearly. Maybe at night you can do it, like the last part. Choose that one wish. That is the first part done. Because this is very, very important. The first part is because so many of you get confused. And if this is an insight for you, let me know in the comment. And this first part is done. And remember how many of you have manifested money and gift within 24 hours when I gave you the exactly what to be manifested. And if you have manifested, let me know in the comment. Now the second part. The second part is where we are going to implant this wish in our subconscious and make it ready for manifestation. So this wish has to be something, this wish has to be a wish of yours only. This wish should not be about something you want for your brother, sister, husband, wife, children. This is some wish that is where you are primarily involved. That is, you are going to receive. It can be dream job, new job, promotion, receiving award, manifesting money, your business success, starting new business. It can be even relationship, like if you are going through a difficult relationship, making your relationship better, or healing your relationship, or manifesting your soulmate, or getting married, or if you are losing weight or getting fit or going through some health issue, being fit, being healed, these things. Or at the same time, it is like manifesting your dream home, dream car, maybe a new iPhone, any of these things. But this wish should be yours, something which you should receive, something which should belongs to you, something which should be a core part. You become a core part of it. Like for example, if you are manifesting a dream home, so of course you are not just going to live alone, your whole family will be there, but you are a core part of it. But let's suppose when you say that I want to manifest my brother to get his job. So even if your brother is getting the job, but you are not core part of that job, nowhere you are corely involved in it, right? But let's suppose if you are doing a business with your brother or sister or husband or wife, and you are manifesting that business success, then you can still manifest having other partner in it because you are a core part of that business and fully involved in it. So that's absolutely fine. So you should choose a wish which should be number one priority for you, and you should be clear about it, like what exactly you want in it, what exactly you want. Then you go to the step 2. In step 2, like in the second part there are other steps are there. In the second part of manifestation or this technique, the number one step is you have to find a picture or a photo, or even if you are a good artist or someone who can draw a painting or picture, that would be also great. So find a photo or picture of this manifestation, what you are manifesting. Like for example, if you are manifesting a dream home, find a picture of a home that makes you feel excited, and this is the kind of flat or this is the kind of home you are manifesting. Or if you are manifesting a particular kind of car, so find exactly which car you want to manifest. Or if you are manifesting a iPhone, so you take the picture of that iPhone. Or let's suppose when you are manifesting, thinking about manifesting a dream job, so maybe you are clear about the company where you want to work or the profile, so you can look for a picture of someone working in that kind of job, and you can put the logo of the company, or you can look for a picture of people working in that company, or a photo of that building of that company with their logo and mention, so that you will see, when you see like, okay, this is the company I'm joining as a software engineer, or I'm joining as a management consultant, or I'm working as a CA or a or an engineer in this. So that should be there. Or if you are manifesting a partner, you can take a picture of a couple getting married, the kind of wedding that you want, the kind of honeymoon picture you want to have. Or let's suppose you are healing a relationship, you can see that picture of someone, a couple is very happy, or you, if you have that picture with your partner, you can put it. So collect a picture of what you are manifesting. So choose a picture or a photo which can represent or give you that feeling that yes, this is exactly what I am manifesting, as close to as expressing that moment of manifestation. So take that picture. You can take a printout of it, that would be great, like we do it in vision board. And on the back side of that picture, write I am, and write as if you have manifested it and you are having it, and write every detail of it. Right, I am having this car, and write, explain the car, the details, the color, the model, the company, how you love it, how you love driving it, like write 4 5 sentences or a paragraph behind it. Or I'm happily working in my dream job or new job in, or H, a software engineer, and write the company, salary, all the environment, bosses, people, everything that you want, the flexibility, the magical experience that you want. Same way, write for money, write for business success, write for relationship, whatever is your core goal, only write about that 4 5 sentence, 10 sentence, or a paragraph. And you write it, so that when you see this picture, when you write it, it goes deep into your subconscious mind, so that when you will see this picture, you'll feel what you want to actually feel. And then paste this picture somewhere where you can see daily. Put it in front of your bed, or on a cupboard, or on a vision board, or near your study desk or work desk at home, where you can see it regularly. This activity you have to do it once, focusing on one goal, one wish only. And then what you have to do, every day you have to look at this picture at least twice, preferably once in the morning and once before going to sleep at night. And if you can put this picture in front of your bed, and when I was first manifesting my dream job, when I was very new to law of attraction, I was working in a job, I was not happy, I did this exact thing, and I put it in front on a cupboard which are just in front of my bed. And every night before going to sleep, I used to look at that picture, and I used to feel and think that, oh, what, how amazing it would be working in this job. And I was not very sure about manifesting all these things, and I did that for 3 weeks, and within 3 weeks I got the job call, and I cleared all the interviews, and everything worked out so magically, and I manifested that job. And it was the first manifestation for me, and it was an amazing manifestation which I have shared in our law of attraction free workshop. If you are yet to join our law of attraction free workshop, check the link and be part of it. So what you have to do, you have to put this picture somewhere where you can see it daily, and when you see it, look at the picture, feel happy, and for few minutes while looking at the picture, or close your eyes and imagine that moment as if the manifestation is done, and you are having it, or you are working it, or you are living in that moment. And whatever you have written behind that picture, feel that is happening in your life. That is exactly what you have, and you are experiencing it, you are loving it, you are joyfully experiencing it. And at this point, no if, no but, no doubt, no resistance, nothing. Just go into that moment thinking and feeling that it's done and you are having it. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Preparation work you have to do once, but every day you do this technique. Every day you visualize, look at the picture, and for 2 minutes, 5 minutes, go into this state of manifestation, achieve the manifestation is done. And how powerfully things start manifesting, you will surprise. And I have manifested so many things doing this technique, and you can manifest so many things, you will go crazy. It works so beautifully, it works so powerfully, so magically, because when you are doing it, you are implanting it inside your subconscious mind. So once one wish is done, then you can do it for another wish. And some of you may be having this question, like when I have to write it. Anytime during the day, you can do this process when you are making ready the first part and the second part, until you take this picture, write it, and put it on the vision board or on somewhere where you can see it. This part you can do any time of the day. You have to do it just once for one wish. You don't have to do it daily. You don't have to write it daily. You don't have to paste it daily. You don't have to print out daily. You have to just put it once and just look at it. Now, some of you may be thinking that can I do it for multiple goals at one go? I won't suggest that in the beginning, because when you have multiple goals and you focus on too many goals at one or too many wishes at one point, your focus get divided, your energy got divided, and that's when maybe the manifestation will take time. So you start with one. Let me know in the comment what is that one wish you want to apply at this point, and write like I am manifesting my hundreds of wishes, because you are telling the universe that you are ready to manifest hundreds and thousands of wishes. So if this technique is an inspiration or given you a new energy to manifest, also let me know in the comment. And like this, I guide our daily subconscious reprogramming participants applying many tools, techniques, and take them into a deeper level of visualization, of feeling and creating magic, and people are manifesting like crazy. If you want to join that program, check the link and join our DSR community, Daily Subconscious Reprogramming, where I implant all the powerful ideas and process inside your subconscious mind to manifest. And if you are new here on our channel, I am Ajay Mishra, India's leading law of attraction coach and manifestation mentor. And for last 15 years, I'm guiding and helping and creating magic in people's life in manifesting their goals, desires, and dreams. All kind of manifestation we have created. And now, if you are new here in our channel, welcome to our tribe. Hit the subscribe button, like this video, hit the bell icon, and be a part of our tribe. And if you find this video useful, share it with someone who should manifest their goals, desires, and dreams. And most importantly, write in the comment that I am manifesting my goals and wishes, and I'm ready to manifest my hundreds and thousands of wishes. Universe, I'm ready for it. Because from time to time, you have to keep telling the universe that you are ready to manifest. And this is a powerful process. Apply it, manifest it, and keep going forward. And if you are new here, subscribe the channel and be a part of our tribe, because your manifestation journey has started right here. Thank you. See you in the next video. Keep manifesting.